We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 disposal here at the kitchen sink, and this was provided by the homeowner. It comes with a new line cord, and it reaches over, which is nice. He has an extension cord in case it was too short. But anyways, the old line, we took all the old plumbing out. Back there they had a 60-degree turn coming off of the 1.5-inch pipe stubbed out of the wall, and it headed over to the garbage disposal and tied in here, so it's a very long arm. And then it came over with another fitting, and it's all old, and we didn't like the length. It was kind of hanging out in the middle of nowhere, so what we did is we cut it back, put a 90 on it, brought the trap over to the basket strainer side, which is typically where it goes. And so you got a brand new 1.5-inch ABS 90, 1.5-inch ABS pipe, and then a little adapter right here, so it makes a transition to tubular. And so you get a tubular trap, a little tubular extension right there, goes up to a tubular T, and then goes over to the garbage disposal. So all brand new. You know, your components, that's your basket strainer there, so that's yours, but that piece of pipe is ours, and it's got a new nut and a new washer in there. And then over here, you know, the disposal comes with a flange. You know, we didn't have to replace it, but we like to put a new flange in to make sure that nothing's leaking. The old flange was kind of rusted out anyway, so that's all tied back in, and we've run a lot of water down it, and nothing is leaking. We had this in here temporarily just to hold the line up. We did give it a lot of grade, a lot of fall, so the pipe's supposed to go back down into the wall at an angle so the water drains out. So we glued it at a pretty good angle, just so it would help support this arm back there. So that's not necessary anymore. It's all held together, you know, unless you crawl back up in there and lay on it, then you shouldn't have any trouble. Lots of grade going back to the wall, and everything's new all the way up. Like I say, your basket strainer, and then your hose as well. That's your 7/8 discharge hose coming down from the air gap. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.